Hi everyone, my name is Helen Ortlaw. I have been teaching for 21 years. This is my first year teaching 5th grade. I have been looping with my students for the past several years, teaching 3rd and 4th grade. And last year I had the opportunity to loop with my students to 5th grade. So this is my 3rd year with my students, and I'm hoping to take them to 6th grade also, which is pretty awesome. I teach at Montero Elementary School in Barstow, California, and our school is a Leader in Me school, so it's very much delved in character education. This is our 4th year of implementation, I believe, and it's based on Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I am a single mom. I have a daughter that's 34 years old and a son that is 17. He's a senior this year. One thing about myself that people don't really know is that I am a budding DIYer. And I just think it's exciting and interesting. So I look around my house and I think, oh, what can I do? What projects can I do? So this summer I decided to build a retaining wall, a raised flower bed with my son. And it was a learning process and we bumped heads a little bit, but you know, we worked together and it was really nice to be out there sweating in the mud and the hot sun. But then it got too hot, so we have to continue once the weather cools down. Another project is behind me. You can see our bookshelves, and we learned how to do that this summer. Put them in. We painted the room. What else? Oh, another project I decided was to make footstools for my classroom. However, I finished one, and I'm going to take them to school and allow my students to do that. The other 4 during Genius Time. Other than that, I just want to welcome everyone back, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.